Solihull Partnership is our local strategic partnership which brings together the council together with representatives from all the other agencies. It also includes the third sector from voluntary organisations, other representatives from business and commerce, and generally tries to represent the whole of the local community. The priorities for the partnership are about building healthier communities, building stronger communities, creating safer communities, more prosperous communities, and also improving the outcomes for all our children and young people.
I'm a family inclusion support worker. There are 11 children's centres across the north and south of the borough. We offer services for children from 0 to 5 years old. That includes children with additional needs. I have built positive relationships with dads and children within the active dads groups. Being nearly male, working in a female environment, I hope that I've left a good impression with the dads and children who attend the children's centre.
William Carr wanted to give up for his grandchildren and has found the scheme and the support he gets invaluable.
The Stop Smoking service is really good. I don't think I'd have quit without it. I did try before, failed. I had a couple of text messages while I was at home on holiday, a couple of phone calls, very encouraging.
The Solihull Care Trust Stop Smoking service is a project that gives people the chance to improve their lives and to make the sort of changes that will impact not just on them, but also their families. A positive step forward for the health of the people of Solihull as a whole.
I believe on track, and I've got my mind in the frame that I'm not going to smoke. I don't smoke.
We first heard about the Future Jobs Fund through our colleagues at the council. We heard that it was a scheme to help local young unemployed people get back into work with some meaningful work experience over a period of about 6 months or so. We came up with an idea to employ local young people to help decorate our blocks of flats. We've got hundreds of blocks of flats all over Solihull. Many of them haven't been decorated for a number of years, and so it's work that desperately needs doing, and we haven't had the money to do it. So we thought if we could get young people trained in painting and decorating, not only would it help us get our flats decorated, but it would help them too with some valuable work experience and getting them skills and giving them some something that they could use in the future.
It started on the 2nd of November 2009 because I was signing on, and because I've been signing on for over 12 months, and then the job centre phoned me up and asked me to come for an interview, and then I went for an interview and I got the job through that. But before that I was window cleaning and building, like I've always been on the same type of thing. It means well, it's giving me money so I can do stuff with my friends on the weekend and everything else. I ain't just signing on anymore. I go out in the day instead of sitting in the house all day doing nothing, and then hopefully by the end of it I can carry on doing painting and decorating as a job.
Today we're working at the canal path in Richmond Road. What it is, there's been spates of antisocial behaviour, graffiti, and the canal paths are overgrown. In partnership with Solihull, Safer Solihull and the British Waterways and the neighbourhood management team with Solihull Council, we've coordinated some teams to come out, address the problems of graffiti. We've painted over all the graffiti. We removed graffiti from the side of some of the shops, and we're widening the footpath and removing the moss and mildew that's potential slip hazards. There is a massive impact on projects like this because the offenders who are coming out can actually see the benefits that they're giving out to the community, and the local neighbour, local residents are benefiting because they've got a safer footpath that they can use. It's a brighter, lighter atmosphere, it's less threatening, so the general public is gaining in that respect. And some of the offenders that are coming out are learning new skills on the various projects that we carry out in the Solihull Borough.
Without the two teachers here, without the actor and Keys on it, I wouldn't have stopped, you know. I don't think I would have stopped because they're fantastic. They got so much patience, understanding, and you know, I get confused straight to where they're here to help me.
It provides them with a computer, internet access for 12 months, and the training necessary to enable them to gain the skills needed.
These things have changed lives for people, and I really enjoy it. And the more people realise things, computers for people with disabilities are fantastic. But again, you need the help to be trained to do them. You've got it here.